Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. So today's video is basically going to show a store that had too much cardboard. We're just going to show us loading up the truck and then unloading the truck at the recycling area. And then we're going to tell you how much we charge the customer for the whole job. So that's what's going to be in today's video. Stay tuned. All right guys, so today we are taking all this cardboard from this store and we are going to take it all to the dump. So this is the first load and then we're going to come back and get a second load. All right guys, we got all of this strapped down and loaded and ready to go. So now we're going to head it to the recycling place and then we're going to come back and do another load. But yeah, we really packed this truck and trailer. So the first thing I want to show you guys is how many straps we have on this. It's never a bad idea to just put as many straps as possible. But now we're gonna throw all this stuff into the recycling bin. All right guys, we got the second load of cardboard, but it was a lot more just trash this time instead of cardboard. But we got it all loaded up. We're gonna head back to the dump. I'm not actually gonna show you guys us unloading this second load because nobody probably wants to see that. But basically for these two loads, we charged $1,100 and it took us about an hour and a half total. So something else to, remember when you're quoting and stuff like that, these big companies will pay a lot more than your normal price because they had an overflow inside their shop and nobody could move around. So that's just something else to remember, guys. So if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys soon.